Hello, folks. So here is how to do tolerances in Onshape in a multi-view dimension drawing in Onshape. So you're going to need to pull up any drawing file that you already have or drawing. So you did this guy. There was another place where you had a section views where we made section views. Those don't have dimensions, but you can put dimensions on them. And all I care about is your ability to show those three types of dimensions in a drawing. So here we go. We'll edit one in just a moment, but I'll add one here. I think I'll do everything in this right side view so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'll add a dimension here. You just add a dimension anywhere you want. I don't care where it is. Don't care what you're dimensioning. I know I'm over dimensioning because I already have it over here. But when you do this and you click to add a dimension, this little guy pops up. And if you hover over that, it's going to bring up this window. So this window shows you what your target dimension is. And then it shows you can add a tolerance to that. Okay. Now your first one that you're going to add is a limit dimension, which says, okay, from your target, how much up do you want to go and how much down do you want to go to your limit? So let's try point like 0.5, and we'll go down 0.02. I don't know. I don't really care about the numbers. I care that you know how to do it. Okay, so when you click, it's going to show you the two dimensions, one stacked over the other. Boy, I wish that was a little cleaner with that, but that's okay. So the other thing, by the way, is if you don't want the zeros on the end, you can change your number of decimal places. Whoops, it was already at 3. Okay, and change that. I wish that would line up a little bit better, but that's okay. Okay, so there's a limit dimension. Now, let's, I'm going to edit one of these. Escape a couple times. If you click on it, it will still show that thing up there. And now we're going to put in a bilateral tolerance, otherwise known as symmetrical. Okay, they call it something different here. And it's going to say plus or minus. It must have remembered what I did last time. So I like that 0.202. Maybe we'll change it to 0.030. Now I'm going to do 0.005. Okay, and then when you click off of it, or I don't know why I can't click off of it. There we go. Hit escape. Now it's showing us a bilateral, otherwise known as symmetrical tolerance. Okay. And then in what other place, I don't care where you do it, let's put in a unilateral tolerance. Dimension. Whoops. All right. And again, we're going to put this time a unilateral is otherwise known as deviation. We'll go up a certain amount. Let's go up 0.008 and down 0.002. I'm just making these numbers up. Again, it depends on what you're building and what the tolerances should be. All right, so we've got we've shown a limit dimension, a stack dimension. We've shown a bilateral tolerance, and we've shown a unilateral tolerance. Okay, so that's really all you needed to do. So move it up kind of by where your name is and take a picture of all of that. And that is what you're going to submit. All right. Hope it worked out. See you later.